I am Aisari and you are watching Saiban News HD. Now we are adding some important news.
Adding news from Rawalpindi SISPR Air Force contingent comprising F-16 Block 52 fighter aircraft alongside dedicated air and ground crew has arrived at King Abdul Aziz Air Base, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia to participate in the multinational aerial combat exercise Spears of Victory 2026. The exercise is witnessing the participation of fighter jets and combat sports elements from Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, France, Italy, Greece, Qatar, Bahrain, Jordan, the United Kingdom, and the United States of America. It offers a robust platform to enhance interoperability, operational synergy, mutual understanding, and capacity building among participating air forces, particularly in large force employment, night composite air operations, integrated ISR, and operations in advanced electronic warfare environments. Through participation in this multinational forum, Pakistan Air Force seeks to enhance interoperability with partner air forces and validate its operational preparedness in a contested technology driven battle space. For this international deployment, PAF fighter aircraft undertook a non-stop flight from their home base in Pakistan to Saudi Arabia, demonstrating the long-range operational reach and expeditionary capabilities of Pakistan Air Force. During the conduct of exercise, PAF pilots flying advanced F-16 Block 52 aircraft equipped with modern avionics and beyond visual range capabilities will be pitched against air crew of participating air forces operating a wide array of sophisticated combat aircraft. Participation of Pakistan Air Force contingent in exercise Spears of Victory 2026 not only reflects PAF's commitment to regional and international military cooperation but also underscores its professional excellence and proven capability to operate effectively in diverse and demanding operational environments alongside leading contemporary air forces.
For more updates, connect with Saiban News HD.